Okay, guys, good morning, guys, or whatever time it is at, at your part of the world. But today I have on the table here, you guys can see, it's a SKAR amplifier, and this is the big one. This is the, see it right here, SKV2 4500.1D. Yes, guys, so this is one I've been working on today, guys. And the problem with this one, guys, the slave and the master switch, as you can see here, it break out, so it's giving me a hard time when you switch it. You have to use something to switch it, but it still have a problem, guys. So that's what I'm going to fix. So yeah, the amplifier is not really playing. It's playing, but it's going out and coming in. So yeah, I'm going to replace that switch. And in order to replace it, guys, I have to take it apart. Can you imagine? But I have a little way of how I'm going to take it apart. I'm going to show you guys. Let's go ahead. Oh. See guys, it's two. It's a long amplifier. Can't. Alright, ta-da! Look at that beauty. Look at that. Man. Look at that, guys. Beautiful circuit, guys. Beautiful. Show this part over here. This, guys, that's it here. That's how it looks, guys. So, yep. This switch here, guys, yeah. Alright. Let this camera still see right there, because we're gonna work with this here right here. Yes, guys, we're gonna work with right here. Alright, guys, so the little trick I'm going to do, guys, is that I'm gonna take this face piece off. So I'm gonna take this off, and I'm gonna have to take all of these clamps. Yep. And then I'm gonna have to remove the same down here. Still gonna have to remove this piece here too, guys, here. And then I'm gonna slide the board a little bit up. You understand, guys? Yeah, I'm going to slide the board like up, so it exposes the solder for this for the switch, so I don't have to take the whole thing out the chassis, which I hope works perfectly. Sometimes there's down here, sometimes this type of ground strap underneath, guys. I hope you have enough room, so length, so it can go this way. So we'll see. If not, I'm gonna have to take the whole amplifier apart. But let me start with these screw here. That before I forget, guys. These are in the middle of the board here. That's screw the circuit board down to the chassis, or down to the casing of the amplifier, whatever you guys want to call it. Yeah, same thing. So, all right, so these are Allen key. Yeah, I figure out that those are Allen keys for the front here. Hold on, guys. Put you guys in focus. This one is for the RC input area. This one is for the, what they call it, sleeve area. You can, yep. Right, so I don't even look for the switches yet, guys. I'm taking it apart like this, like I'm so sure, but yeah, I should have switch. Definitely should have switch. Alright. Yeah, you could see them from right here, but wow, still. Alright, guys, let me take a look and see if I really have to take the amplifier way apart before I do that. Yeah. If I don't do that, it's gonna be messy, some messy work. And guys, this is the part that I don't like, guys. Believe me, I don't like it. I do it, but I don't like it. Removing this thing here. right? You guys can see how I do them. Ooh. Guys, a lot of pressure I have to put on these things. That it's not easy like how you guys maybe watching the video and see it looks easy, but it's not. Yeah, and these are the two hardest one, guys. These one right between the filter caps right here. Ah, yeah. Last I was doing when I break all in key, right in this area, guys. So let's see. All right, let's move on to another one. Don't waste time on that one. We'll come back to that, guys. You guys every time pop them make up anything like this, yeah, just throw them off. Whew. Man. Right. The guy for this person for this amplifier, guys, that was an easy fix, you know. I just open the cover and take out the switch. And I explained to him and show him what I'm gonna have to do. He couldn't believe. Yeah, a lot of people think it's easy. Just to the switch, guys, look what I'm gonna have to go through. Man, wow. Jeez. Man, I tell you. Wow. Come on. This one is a little shorter, so. Alright, that one comes out really good. I'm gonna show you something else that I do, guys. If this doesn't work, alright, let's go move on to another one and I come back and I show you that. Alright, I'm pushing the amplifier instead of moving the phone. Let's put the amplifier like there. Place the phone like that. And guys, when you're removing these, please try your best not to make it fall in the circuit, because sometimes you have capacitor that discharge and you know that will make a big spark and you don't want that. Alright, so oh my words. Man. Whew. Right, guys, so I have where is it, guys? I have a pliers I have here, guys. I use just this, not this one though, guys, not this pliers, but this works sometimes. Sometimes I use the, whew, don't know what I do with it, guys, but I use this sometimes. Not budging this time, guys, not budging. Hold on, I have a little trick here. Come on. Wow. All right. Whew. A flimsy little Allen key, guys. I might break it, believe me. All right, it comes up. Break, not breaking. This one is not moving. All right, it moves now. Oh my word. Jeez. Whew. Finger stomp. All right, guys. So this is what to do now. Wow. Wow. So after push these off this the chassis there, they stick right to the chassis, guys. Yeah, they clamp down real hard. Just be gentle, guys, when you're removing these, because don't hurt the piece of material, the heat thing behind it, guys. That protect it from touching the chassis. So please, guys, make sure. Ooh, come on, it's not good. Okay, that's good. So these now sometime after. All right. All right. You put a little pressure on the top of the it, guys, and you put on a pointy Phillips in here, or you could use an Allen key. Let me see if I use one. You price it just like this, back over, like that. That's the easier way, guys. See that? Yep. Allen key in the middle of the transistor. There was a little hole. Yeah. Right. You just pull it forward. Just pull it towards you, or away from you, depends on how you turn. Yeah. Just pop them off like that. Alright. When you remove these, then I'm going to remove this one here. I'm going to remove this one. Yep. Alright, so alright guys, so I'm going to remove these this screw right here now. Whoa. Jeez. This thing almost. Wow. So this part of a lot of screw now. I have about 2, 4, 6. Oh man. Wow. Yeah, this is the first time this amplifier is opening for sure. From what I see, yeah, has never been repaired before. Something like that. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm not put mine anyway. Just don't worry too much. This is not the scene part really. This is just the boring part. Yeah, come on, where the heck you go thing gonna put me in trouble? Man. This thing want to put me in trouble, guys. Alright, let me screw this thing up so I can get to remove this face piece. So yeah, these bolts are these, yeah, that clamp this power wire, guys. Yeah, the screws they were up, so I can't take the face off like I want to. Once I do that, very good. Right, take it out, guys. So yep, already then. Alright, see, slide both ways. So and it's sliding. That that way, guys. That way. That I don't want it to go. What the heck is wrong with this thing? That's what I'm running from. Jeez. Please, man. Look at. Alright. Whoo, yeah. It does come this way, guys. Hallelujah. Alright then. Alright, guys. So, alright. I hate to work. Just turn this around. Well, it's right here, guys. Switch is right here. We plug the solder in, which I should have done a long time ago. I'm gonna have to add a bunch of these switch because I have right now I have some now and I'm thinking where I put them. I'm gonna buy a bunch of them now, guys. I know I don't remember. I don't remember. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this. These are part of. Look at this. I buy and I don't sort them out to the bin that they're supposed to go in. Just because I'm busy, guys. So that's a problem for me. We'll go hunt down the switch, guys. I'll go hunt for the switch now when I should just take up a switch just like that and use it. Oh my words. It's not nice, guys. Not nice, not nice for me. Alright. Let's leave this soldering tool here now, guys. And wow. This one is still holding. It's a two-sided board, guys, so yeah. Soldered back and front, so the switch is not. Yeah, it's budging a little now. Just a little. Alright. That's what's holding it now. Ooh-wee. Oh yeah, put some stuff in it, mess it up. So it looked like this, guys. Yeah. Hold on, open it down a little. Man, guys, did you see what I was doing earlier? I don't know. Oh man, sorry. I think you guys maybe you guys was out of focus. So yeah. Little knob here, guys. Yeah, it broke off. So yeah, look like this. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 pins. If you guys can see, give it a put it on the angle. Maybe that's better there. Yeah. So yeah, I know you know guys, sometimes here back here you see that it has two here. Yeah, two little slot. Yeah, that's sure that's a two-way switch. If it had three, that would mean it's a three-way switch if you have three slash. So that's another way of looking it up. So yeah, we'll check this side now and see if everything is good. So, oh man, this is heavy. See if I damage any circuit up top here, which I didn't. So yes, right here, guys. It's right here. Right. Give me a minute, guys. So I'm gonna go see if I find a switch for it. All right, I'll be back. Back again, guys. Back again. So I found one, guys. Jeez, took me a long time. My thing that I have here, guys. Yeah, and this one is brand new. So see, two slash at the back, yeah, and the pin, yeah, it's the same. See if it, man, it look bigger, but it works the same. I don't know why it looks bigger to me than the other one, but it no problem. Right, so before this is two-sided board, so let me solder this. And this is what you should do, guys. Make sure the two-sided board solder this middle pin just to see if they hold, or yeah, they holding. So yeah, don't solder the ground first, solder the middle ones. Yeah, this is alright. As I say, guys, with this you move with solder, like how I'm doing it. Hold on, guys. Sorry, I think you guys have to focus a little. Ooh, okay. Alright. Straighten these guys right here. Input RCLE, guys. Yes, straighten them. Yeah. Sometimes you're doing this and you find one start to shake. You'll say, oh man. Oh yeah. You never know. So yeah. Always straighten them. And straighten this one down here even though it doesn't use maybe. But you never know if you guys gonna sell the amplifier to somebody or you're gonna get another one of this, you know. Upgrade this system. So you know sometimes and it would be really hard for him to pay again. But yeah, well, if you have to, you have to. Yeah, I understand. But sometimes I try to fix stuff. That's way ahead of time. How? That's squeaking. All right, so that seems to be in place. So let me get one of these screws that I take in the middle and both of them. I mean, three of them, and put them right back where they go belong. Okay? And be gentle as you do this, guys. You will break it. And you don't want to break one of these screws, guys, because I did one already, guys, and man, the circuit board can't come out, guys. So you know what? That was a challenge, guys. You don't want to hear that one goes, guys. Believe me. When I deal with that one, I have to bend the circuit board, push it up like this, guys, and push it a little, you know, baby step, before I get it out, and I can, you know, use a pliers to take the broken piece or the circuit off the chassis. Yeah, but guys, this is basically it, guys. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna screw it back up and stuff like that. I'm gonna put on the clamps definitely, and then I give it a little test for you guys to see that it's up and running and you know the switch is working. So yeah, alright guys, give me a minute. Alright guys, let me show you a little thing. Alright, this little splitted. Yeah, I use these, guys. Let me show you. Put it right in the groove there, guys, and then I have a little mallet I could use, guys. And come on. Okay, use a mallet, guys, and yep, and then yeah. That's it, guys. You know, move on to the other one. Next in line. Do the same thing here, guys. Just a mallet. And you knock it just like that. Then you knock this side like that. Like that. And yep. So that's not hard. But you know, hold on. This one is wide. Oh, I think I'm doing it wrong. Hold on, guys. Let me remove these. Let me remove these and sort them out. So these supposed to be the wider one, supposed to be for the output MOSFET, if I'm not wrong. So let me see what wide one I have here. Yeah, guys. So that's a thing to take in consideration, guys. You see, always take that into consideration. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's supposed to have 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, 7. Now, what did I count it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it's supposed to have 8. 2, 4, 6. Come on, yeah. 2, 4. So yeah, we need one more wide one, guys. I don't see any more wider one here. Hold on. I don't see any wider one, guys, but yeah, I'm gonna work with what I have for now. Maybe I misplaced it somehow. If not, any one of the other one will work. But yeah, the wider one will go here, guys. So I'm going to show you. Right, guys. So there's a difference between these two, as you can see here. Yeah, see it? This have a lot of room here. Yeah. So yes, guys, so see it. Let me put it together. See it? Yep. It's wider, guys. So yeah, this one is wider. I will make sure to put them back just like how they were, guys. Alright. Turn on this. Knock in. Alright, guys, so yeah, that's how it goes, guys. So give me a minute, I screw it up and I get back to you guys. Alright. Okay, guys, so yep, it's in. Switch is in, guys. The switch is in right here. It's gonna stay there. Let's say I put some dirt in here already. So that's gonna stay here. Output master. So this is the master. It's not slave, so yeah, it stays onto the master when you have one amplifier working. So alright, guys, that's it. But hold on, yeah. Oh god, it's gonna take a lot of hooking up now, guys. Man. Yeah. Let me get some water to this thing, guys. Alright, give me a minute. Okay, guys, let's do some testing. Oh man, I don't know if you guys gonna see the speaker. Alright, it's right here. Let me pour this up and see. Alright. Some 30 hertz. Oh, let's go 50, 49. Let's see. Alright. Nice. Yes, guys, it's working. So, yep. Wow, I don't know if you guys hearing that, but that thing's shaking something on my electrical breaker. Shaking the breaker panel cover. Jeez. Alright, guys, so yep. It's up and running, guys. Just want you guys to see that it's on. You guys can see. Yes, guys. On up and running. Yeah. Woo. All right, guys. So please like, subscribe if you like what you see, guys, and that's it for now, guys. So yep. So I'm gonna put the cover on this thing now and let the owner know he can pick it up whenever he's ready. All right, guys. So yeah, this is repair of that SKAR. This is the SKAR SKV2 4500.1, guys. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Please like, subscribe if you like what I see, guys, and enough respect. All right, cardio out for now.